Hello everyone, welcome to the online presentation and demonstration of torque speed curve plotter. Torque speed curve plotter is an instrument designed and developed by Embedded Power Solutions. It measures accurately and plots correctly the torque speed characteristics of prime movers such as electric motors, etc. This video is a three-part presentation. First, features and the corresponding benefits of torque speed curve plotter instrument. Second, video of the instrument setup, the hardware demo. Third, video of the instrument working, the software demo. So, here are the features and the corresponding benefits that they translate into for the torque speed curve plotter instrument. We will quickly touch upon them and then proceed to look at the actual videos for the instrument. So considering the first two features, it measures torque at multiple speeds without needing to load the motor, and also the torque speed curve is plotted over complete speed range from 0 speed to synchronous speed in a fraction of time. So the benefits, it saves you precious energy, saves you time, and also helps you to rate the motors very accurately. Third feature, no need to reduce applied voltage while measuring starting torque like in conventional methods. Now as we all know, the starting current is typically 6 to 7 times greater than the full load current, and hence conventional testing methods reduce the applied voltage while measuring starting torque, and that can give you inaccurate results. But that's avoided in our instrument because it's a one-step testing operation without needing to reduce voltage while measuring starting torque, and hence gives you accurate results. Fourth, it's a scalable product, meaning it measures torque of motors as small as half HP to as large as 5000 HP without needing any change in the test setup. So the benefit, it saves you huge cost because one instrument now can test your entire range of motors and also saves you setup time. Fifth, a circle diagram software tool is provided which computes power factor, efficiency, losses, torque, etc. at any speed. So the benefit, it saves you time and efforts in manually drawing the circle diagram, and now since the software is doing the job, it eliminates chances of human induced errors and also gives you consistent accuracy each and every time. Sixth, torque speed reports are generated in a tabular form for printing over the entire range at equally spaced speed intervals. So that gives you easy readability. The output is now in a visual graph as well as a table format, and also a torque speed calculator is provided. So now that you know exact torque value at any speed, it helps you in fine-tuning the motor to achieve specific performance. Seventh, it's a portable and a light instrument, can be manually lifted and carried anywhere, has a very simple setup. So the benefit, one instrument can be utilized to the fullest. It's a simple setup and encourages your staff, meaning your engineers and workers, to use it regularly and without fear. And eighth, it's a very affordable price compared to the existing test setup. It comes with a warranty and also is available locally. So the benefit, on and on, it's an excellent return on your investment on all fronts. So as you would appreciate during the course of the next videos, this instrument touches a variety of subjects in depth. Subjects such as electric motor dynamics, embedded hardware and software design, some complex algorithms designed to function accurately considering harsh noise conditions and mechanical vibrations of the electric motor, etc. And yet this instrument is very easy to use for the end user and has been designed keeping ease of operation in mind. So let us now look at the demos for the instrument setup and its actual working. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to the demo
of torque speed curve plotter instrument that our company Embedded Power Solutions has designed and developed. Following the benefit slideshow that you just viewed, we are now going to demonstrate the way this torque speed curve plotter instruments setup is done. So, this instrument setup is divided into three parts. First, the rotary encoder, which is used to measure speed precisely. Second, the actual instrument, which contains a microcontroller and a power supply. And the third one is the underlying software that ties all this together. So, this instrument has three ports on its rear side. One 6-pin connector socket, which is used to firmly connect and transmit the encoder signal to the microcontroller board. Then there is a USB socket, which connects the instrument to the PC for communication and diagnostic purposes. And third one is for power connection. So now let's start our electric motor. Okay, as we can see, the motor has now started. So let's look at the sensor that we talked about. The sensor used for measurement of speed is a rotary encoder which precisely logs speed data and sends 128 pulses for every revolution of the shaft. This encoder is a very small device, as you can see here. This sensor is mounted on the motor's shaft by a very simple attachment which holds the sensor firmly. This encoder holder maintains the encoder stationary throughout its operation while the motor starts from its original 0 speed position to its continuing run at full speed. So now let's look at the small flywheel that we have mounted. So a small flywheel is mounted on the motor's shaft basically to suppress vibrations during starting. Excessive vibrations can give an error in measurement and sometimes it may require taking another reading. So, as we have seen, this complete testing takes hardly a few minutes and the motor consumes small amount of energy to overcome losses. It also allows taking reading of torques at all the speeds, saving much valuable energy which is dispensed during measuring at full load in conventional testing. We will now demonstrate the software part of the instrument and how to use it.
Hello everyone. This is a demo of torque speed curve plotter that our company Embedded Power Solutions has designed and developed. Torque speed curve plotter is an instrument to measure accurately and plot correctly the torque speed characteristics of prime movers such as electric motors. Torque speed curve plotting is a critical requirement of the prime movers manufacturing industry for quality assurance purposes. This instrument consists of microcontroller based hardware and PC based software. In this video, we will go through the software part demo of this testing instrument. So, let us make a run through an actual working demo of the instrument. Now, before we start the plotting, we need to click the Reset Microprocessor tab on the top menu, which will, as the name says, reset the microprocessor. Okay, so now that we've done that, let us click the Record tab in the top menu and start our electric motor. The motor has now started. We can hear the noise in the background. So, when the Record tab in the top menu is clicked, the software instructs the microcontroller to wait for the attached motor to be tested to start. Once the motor starts, the software counts up speed against time data. Once done, as you can see on the screen, it displays a message showing maximum speed recorded. So let us click on yes since we want to continue. Now when the recording is complete, a message will appear indicating motor startup time and number of revolutions completed. Please note that the instrument's user manual will contain all the steps for selecting sampling rates to capture optimum samples, etc. It will also contain various error checking and validation cases that the instrument allows. So let us click OK to proceed. Now after the torque speed data is captured, we select a file name to store this data. This file will be used later to plot the torque speed curve. So let's do that. We can now see the message recording complete on our screen. Now the torque speed curve is ready and we are ready to plot it. So let us start by clicking the on-off button that appears on the top left hand side. The on position status is displayed by a red LED that gets lighted. Let us now click the plot torque speed button. Clicking it will get us to select the desired file. So let us do that. Okay, once selected, it will plot the curve. So there it is, the torque speed curve on your electric motor on the screen. Very simple to use and consistently very accurate. Okay, now we've seen that. Let's go ahead. For an enhanced, more detailed testing of electric motors, there is a provision in this instrument to plot the circle diagram of the electric motor. We have provided a circle diagram software tool. It computes complete performance parameters such as power factor, efficiency, losses, torque, etc. at absolutely any given speed. So let's have a quick demo of that facility. So to begin, let us click on the circle diagram on-off button to get it started. For plotting circle diagram, we need to enter the motor nameplate data, no load test data and block rotor test data. This data is very handy and should be easily available with you, the electric motor manufacturer. Now, as you can see on the screen, a slider is provided for changing loading conditions on the motor. The circle diagram, as you can observe, is dynamically plotted with the slide up and down. You can see that on the screen. So, as loading is changed, in the circle diagram and the corresponding text boxes below, we can find out maximum torque, starting torque and all other performance parameters like power factor, efficiency, losses, torque, etc. at absolutely any desired speed. So very simple to use and gives you the entire performance picture for your electric motor. Now this instrument also comes equipped with a torque speed calculator that calculates exact torque at any given speed. So let us try it out by entering a few speed RPM values and find the corresponding torques. So let us start by calculating the starting torque at 0 speed. So let's select our file. So there it is. That's the corresponding torque. Now from the previously plotted graph, we have observed that maximum torque is at 1100 RPM. So let us verify that by entering 1100 in the speed RPM box. Let us click on calculate torque and there it is. Okay, and last but not the least, from the nameplate data, rated speed of this motor that we are currently testing is 1410. So let us enter that and verify the corresponding torque. There we go. It is verified. So as you can see, this instrument instantly calculates the corresponding torque for absolutely any given speed. In conclusion, this torque speed curve plotter provides you with a very easy to use, highly accurate, portable instrument for performance testing of all types of electric motors. As we have seen, it plots the torque speed curve, plots the circle diagram and also calculates torque for any speed instantly. We hope you have enjoyed the software part demo and have found it informative. Please do check out our other videos for the torque speed curve plotter instrument. We have hardware part demo, features, benefits, slideshow, etc. And do contact us for any questions or concerns regarding anything related to the torque speed curve plotter product. Thank you very much.